Hello everyone, Satyajit Pattnaik here, and in this video we shall be learning who is a business analyst and what does a BA does. Now let's try to understand the life of a business analyst. Now BAs deal directly with the customers and higher management to understand their problems or else some business requirements and quickly starts their work to accomplish the business requirement. But what are the steps a BA takes? Is that going to be effective and quick? Let's find out the answers to these questions. The steps which we are going to look at are typically the roles and responsibility of a business analyst. The very first step is understanding the business objective. Now, understanding the business goals is one of the key aspects of a business analyst. Only when he or she understands the business goals, then he or she can probably discuss further, do a proper brainstorming, and then come up with a solution. So, business objective understanding is one of the key factors of a life of a business analyst. The second point is going to be requirement gathering. Now, requirement gathering again is very related to the first one, which is business objective understanding. In requirement gathering, basically the business analyst talks to the client, talks to the end customer, and try to understand their problem. Only when he or she understands the problem, he start gathering the requirements. What exactly the application should look like, how exactly the model should work. So requirement gathering is one of the key aspects, and the business analyst basically does a further research on the use cases, the security point of view, front end, back end, and competitor analysis. The third point is going to be allocating resources. Only when the business analyst understands everything about the requirement, he or she starts an in-depth research or an in-depth understanding on the project, then decide on the project's resources, assigns tasks to the developers, and finalizes the tools and software required in the project. The fourth point is going to be providing suggestions. Now, this is a step where a business analyst tries to see the progress of the project and then provide some necessary suggestions in order to improve the product. Fifth step is also very vital. It's going to be feedbacks. Now, feedbacks are nothing but while you are developing the software or you are working on some models, a proper end-to-end testing is very much required. So, various testings like system integration testing, user acceptance testing, business user acceptance testing, etc., are performed in order to understand whether the team is on right track or not and take necessary feedbacks. So, feedbacks play a very vital role in the life of a business analyst. The sixth point is again very crucial, and I would say it's one of the most crucial tasks of a business analyst, which is nothing but reports and dashboards. So, most crucial duty is going to be building reports. Data visualization is one of the key skills of a business analyst. In order to get the performance and get valuable insights, the business analysts need to prepare reports and dashboards, which could be a general report or else a summarized dashboard to show the important findings based on their analysis. The two of the most important BI tools currently used in the market is Power BI and Tableau. Some of the other tools are ClickSense and Alteryx. Apart from that, there are several other BI tools, but mostly in the market, Power BI and Tableau are being used. So proficiency in one of them will ease up the work. As I already told, a business analyst initially tries to understand the business and then come up with a solution and then try to project using a dashboard or a report because he's the one who is going to be the front end or the key stakeholder for this particular project. The seventh point is going to be very important again: documentation, presentation, and storytelling. Now, this is probably the final step where the business analyst documents and presents the findings to the client. The documentation has to be well written and the handover has to be done properly with a perfect storytelling about the product. So, storytelling and reporting are the two major things which a business analyst possesses. And hooray, the final product is ready for submission. Those are the typical roles and responsibilities of a business analyst. If we want to summarize, this is how the summary of the business analyst role looks like. The business analyst closely works with the technological team and end customers to improve quality of services being delivered. They possess skills like programming skills, SQL, business intelligence, and decision making skills to deliver data driven solutions. They are highly proficient in data storytelling as well. And as I told, reporting and building tools like Power BI and Tableau are also mandatory for a business analyst. That entirely sums up everything about a business analyst. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey as a business analyst now.